Hey guys, so today I'm back with another spooky Halloween video, and today we're going to be making Black Cat Cupcakes. We're going to decorate the cupcake to have a black cat on it. I saw this on Instagram and it just looks so cute, I had to make it. This is a super simple cupcake to make, so if you're a beginner at cake decorating or cupcake decorating, then this is perfect for you to start with. You'll see in the video, it's really simple and it doesn't require too many steps, so I think you guys will really love this. So yeah, let's get started. So for these cupcakes, I'm just using a boxed cake mix. So once my batter was all mixed up, I just took some yellow food coloring and I dyed my batter an even brighter yellow. Once my cupcakes have baked and cooled off completely, I put some frosting into a piping bag and I just piped on a swirl and then I flattened out the top and the sides. You want a really nice, clean, flat top for this, so just keep working with it with your offset spatula until you get the flattest top you could possibly make. So to make the cat, I first tried to draw a template, but that did not work because it was too big. So then I just went online and found a cat on a cake, and so I just printed that out and used that as my template. So now to put the cat on your cupcake, just simply place your template onto your cupcake and take some black sanding sugar and pour that onto the template, and then use your fingers to lightly pat down the sanding sugar to get it to stick to the frosting. And then any excess sanding sugar that's left on the sides, you could just push that into your bowl, and then you could just lift your template up and you'll have a black cat. So these are the beautiful finished cupcakes. Now usually I would film a little video clip of the finished cupcakes, but you know, my phone just decided to stop recording videos, so that's why the little portion of the previous clip where I was trying to pull the paper off the cupcake, yeah, that's why I don't have that footage, because my phone just decided to stop recording videos for the day. My phone is very broken, but that's besides the point. The point is that these cupcakes came out beautifully, and I think it's awesome because it's so simple to make, and it's just perfect for anyone who's a beginner at cake or cupcake decorating. So yeah, I definitely love these cupcakes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I am super close to 100 subs. I'm so excited. And comment down below any questions or suggestions for any other Halloween videos, because there's one more Halloween video left in this month. So if there's something you really want to see, let me know in the comments. And if you have any other ideas for anything that you want to see me bake, just let me know in the comments. And my social medias are always in the description, so go follow me. I always post updates on, you know, when the new video will be posted, and you get to see some other stuff that goes on in my life. So if you're interested in that, then go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!